Hi everyone, Tasha here for Kat Scrappiness, and today I'm introducing the new Gobble Gobble 4x6 stamp set and coordinating die set. This stamp set includes 3 turkey images, a variety of greetings, and 3 accessory items. And I love this little turkey with the little box, and then the coordinating die set. I'm going to start by stamping each one of the stamps included in the set so you can see what it'll look like inked up. First we have this cute little turkey with a little pilgrim hat on. And then we have the turkey with the box that says not a turkey, and this one I just love. He is so cute. Then we have the little turkey holding a sign that you can customize or use one of the included stamps. And I'm going to put on Go Vegan into his little sign, and it fits perfectly. It also includes Eat Ham, Don't Pick Me, Eat Chicken, I Love Vegetarians, which is also really fun. Then we have Gobble Till You Wobble, Happy Thanksgiving, and You Want to Put the Stuffing Where, which is again really fun, and you can use it with any of these. And then the accessories we have is this little acorn with leaves, a little pumpkin, and a single leaf that you can create a whole bunch of projects with. And here are all the stamped images. Next, I'm going to show you how each one of these images and the sentiments look like when you use the coordinating dies. So we have the turkey with the box on his head, the cute little pilgrim turkey, the little Go Vegan turkey that we created. This image would actually be great for little place tags on your table for Thanksgiving. We have the pumpkin, the leaf, and then the little acorn with the 2 leaves. And then we have our sentiments that fit inside of the sign, which also you can use the coordinating dies to cut them out. So you don't have to use them with the turkey with the sign. You can mix and match. Then we have our larger sentiments. I like that these dies do cut around each one of the greetings. It's just something that you don't usually see, and I like that it was included in this set. And do you see how it fits perfectly? It gives just a nice little border. And here's a card using the turkey with the box. I think he is just so fun. And then I also created a 3D box card using the pilgrim turkey. And I also have the little pumpkins. I hope you enjoyed a peek at the new Gobble Gobble stamp set from Kat Scrappiness and the coordinating die set. All the items will be in the description box below. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.